I've been using AmpleNote for YouTube Notes for a few months. I've started using some of the many plugins that are available for it. So in this video, I'll share the most popular ones, how to install, how to set them up, and how I use them. If you want to bring your highlights in from Readwise, enrich them with OpenAI, and automatically link notes together, and a few other features that might surprise you, this is the video for you. Okay, let's get into it. Like many other note-taking apps, AmpleNote has a plugin that allows you to connect to OpenAI and other large language models. This allows you to leverage AI to help you manage your note-taking. To install plugins, you need to go to the plugin section, choose the plugin you want, and either read more about it or press install. Once installed, it will take you to your accounts page where you can add the plugin. Once it's added, you need to press the settings button. Here, you need to enter your OpenAI key and choose the preferred API model, such as GPT-4. You can get your OpenAI key from OpenAI. Remember to ensure you have enough credits to get the plugin to work. Another tip is to ensure your credit has not expired, as mine did. If you are not a fan of OpenAI, you can also connect to Llama. I am currently testing this with my research notes in Obsidian, so if you are interested in a video on that, please subscribe. The main features I use from AmpleAI plugin are Complete, which I use for brainstorming. All you need to do is highlight the text, right click and choose complete option. Revise, which I use to simplify text. Highlight the text that you want, right click and choose revise, and then I enter how I want to revise the text. Often it's explained to a 5-year-old. Summarize, I use it to recap a large amount of text. I open the note, select the triple dots menu and select summarize. I did compare the results against ChatGPT and it's clear there is a slight difference, but for speeding up note taking, it's an excellent feature to use. If you're unfamiliar with Readwise, it is a service that lets me highlight text from different sources. These include sources such as Twitter, web pages, and RSS feeds, and brings it all together in one service that I can download as notes to add to my research notes. Just like AmpleAI plugin, the Readwise plugin can be installed in a similar way. In settings, you need to enter the Readwise API. You have different options to organize your Readwise note. You need to create a new note and press Ctrl-O to start the sync. The plugin also creates a Readwise library dashboard, which gives you details of the sync as well as a table of contents for all your Readwise notes. Each Readwise highlight is a note tagged to its category, except for tweets, which are grouped by author. The significant difference between this implementation and Obsidian Readwise plugin is the customizations I could do on the Readwise website for the notes that I am syncing. Regardless of this limitation, it is a helpful plugin for Readwise users. AutoLink is a handy plugin that does exactly what it says. For a given text, it will automatically link words to existing notes. Installation is the same way as other plugins. To link, you need to set a note with a keyword. Then you select a piece of text, right-click and choose AutoLink. This will add links to that note, and the keyword note has backlinks linking to those words. I use this to keep a list of links for specific keywords that are related to YouTube. In my case, I have keyword notes for the title, thumbnails, and hooks. Once AutoLinked, these have backlinks to tweets that I highlighted using Readwise. These keyword notes have my ideas that have developed from highlights I've taken, so I can apply them when creating videos. If you are a Zettelkasten fan, AutoLink should be able to link your reference notes to your permanent notes. The search functionality is helpful for finding notes, but another way to use it is AmpleQuery. It generates a list of notes that match specific criteria. After installing the plugin, press open bracket and you will have a few new options. The main AmpleQuery I use is AmpleQuery tag to maintain a list of table contents. I've also used AmpleQuery empty to find empty notes and clean up my notes. I would like to see a more complex searches such as and or statements, but overall it's a valuable plugin to speed up your workflow. One of the main features of AmpleNote is the calendar functionality. If you use the calendar functionality of AmpleNote and use it for time blocking, this plugin allows you to generate multiple work blocks from a single task. So if you have a task that needs to be completed over a number of days, you can create multiple work blocks to reflect that. Once you have installed the plugin in the usual route, to use it, select the text of the task you want to use, then right-click and select Work Blocks. From here, you are asked how many blocks you want and it creates the number number of blocks for you to distribute in your calendar. Most of my tasks come from my monthly goals, which are broken down into weekly goals that I can set for myself. There are top level goals I want to achieve that week and side quests that I would like to do. These goals are broken down into tasks. One tip I found is if you use AmpleAI plugin, you can generate a list of tasks for your goals. So if I want to film a new YouTube video, I can ask AmpleAI to create a list of tasks for me. So there you go, 5 plugins for AmpleNotes. What do you think? Anything that I should have included in this list? Drop me a comment and let me know. And as ever, if you found this video useful, please consider leaving me a like and subscribing to my channel for more apps and techniques for your workflow. Until next time, keep optimizing and stay practical.